2015 Chevrolet Cruze, engine size 1.4, LT, how to replace tensioner and the driver belt. You open the hood and first time remove the air filter and remove the engine mount, the right side. Use the socket 14, remove it. And remove the cover, water pump, lead bowl, bottom bowl, two bowl. The water pump, the tensioner, the bowl, use special tool. Take up the bowl. Tensioner. Tensioner, no good, the pulley stuck here, no return. And you order the new tensioner. Check the make sure. The part number 9502608 and new the driver bell 5050551 and it to the tensioner. Tightening it all. And tighten this bowl. Check the pulley. And insert the bell, water pump, alternator, tensioner, crankshaft pulley, AC compressor. Insert the bell. And insert the cover water pump, the mount engine, air filter. Thank you watching video. If you like, you support for me. Thank you. Next time I put new video.